Babes, if I lost all my makeup products today, these are 10 essential makeup products I'll buy back immediately. And the good thing is, these products are multi use and they are perfect for beginners. So keep on watching. Hi, babes, welcome back to today's series on if I lost all my makeup products today. Here are the 10 essential products I would buy back first and why. So keep on watching. The first product is definitely going to be a gripping primer because this type of primer will not allow my makeup to shift. It will keep my makeup to stay in place for a long period of time, except you have really good skin condition whereby you skip primer and your makeup still looks flawless and lasts you all day. Then primer should not be the first thing on your mind. But for me or someone like me that after a while your makeup start looking like, where are you from, then you want primer to be the first thing on your lid, and this gives really tacky finishing. It's like a magnet. When you apply your foundation on it, it sticks onto it and it's not moving until you are ready to take it off. The second product I'll be getting is definitely a translucent setting powder, a no color setting powder, because this type of setting powder does a lot. It blurs out your texture, it sets your skin, it serves as a primer, a mattifying primer for those that have oily skin, and it is not harsh. It will not alter your foundation. It is meant for, you can use it to set your concealer under your eyes. You can also use it to set your skin all over because it has no color in it. So it just works perfectly well. And if you have texture skin, this will blur out your skin because it has silicone. See, my skin looks smooth. My skin feels smooth to touch and it's so smooth. You can use it to set. So if you have oily skin, this is a great hack. It helps your foundation to stay put because this is you locking in the primer and also locking in any oil that will come out. Works on all skin color, even all skin type, because it is not giving that overly dried feel that a traditional setting powder would give. I can feel my skin feeling super smooth. So the third product I am going to be getting is a full coverage foundation. Hear me out, guys. A full coverage foundation is versatile. It does a whole lot. It can double as a concealer. It can double as a tinted moisturizer. The coverage that you want will determine the amount of foundation or the moisturizer you are going to be mixing in together. So it does a lot. If you have flawless skin, you can basically use a beauty sponge to apply it just to share it out for you a bit. And on the days where you don't want to wear so much foundation, you just want your skin to look like you wear skincare, but a bit of color, then you can mix it, a little bit of it into your moisturizer. It does a whole lot. You can also use it to highlight your under eyes. You can apply it as a primer for your eyeshadow. It does so much. So when you're picking a foundation coverage and you don't know what to go for, please pick a full coverage foundation. The fourth product I'm going to be buying back first is a bronzer, a cream bronzer. A cream bronzer, it's a lot easy to manipulate. You can blend it however you want to blend it, and it doubles as a contour. You can also apply it in your crease. Use it to warm up the perimeters of your face just to give you that sun-kissed look. It just basically make your foundation looks a lot better and well blended into your skin, and it makes your skin basically look appealing to the eyes when you apply bronzer. The fifth product I am going to be buying back first is a concealer because I want to apply concealer under my eyes to brighten my under eyes. What's a makeup without highlighting your under eyes? The sixth product I'm going to be buying back first is a lipstick, a creamy lipstick, and I'll make sure that I pick red or orange so that I can easily use it for something else, turn it into different purpose. So I can decide to, apply it like this if I want and just blend that out. So I'll be picking a creamy one because it's easier to blend out. Or if I want it to be a little bit bright, then I'll put it at the back of my hand and mix in a bit of my concealer just to give me a lighter pitch of the color. And I'll place that somewhere around here. Can you see the gradient from here to here? This is looking peach pink and this is orange red. These combos looks really beautiful on any skin tone. It is really beautiful. I can also use it as my lip gloss. I'll mix it into, if I want it lighter, I can just do what I did with the blush and mix in a gloss and apply it on my lips. Or if I want to do a red eyeshadow, I can put it on my lips. Or I can just basically go ahead and apply it the way it is in its actual color. I'll go back and set my under eyes and the rest of my face with the same setting powder. So this is my face with the no color setting powder, and this is the part I have not set. This face feels really calm and smooth, and it looks blurred, like it's not like this one here. So the seventh product is a two-in-one brow gel. One is black and the second one is brown. So I'm going to mix both to define my brows. So this product is multi-use. I'll use it for my brows. I'll use it to line my eyes, and I'll also use it as an eyeshadow. So for that foundation, I'm going back to use it on my lid. Like I said earlier, you can use a foundation that dries matte as your eyeshadow primer. And also it makes sense when you use it because it blends with your skin tone. Then I'm going into that cream bronzer to define my crease. I said that earlier on. I'm defining my crease, and as I'm defining my crease, I will also go ahead and use the foundation brush to further blend my lid. Then I use that same no color setting powder to set the lid down. You can see there was no eyeshadow used in this video, and look at how my eyelid is looking really nice. So from that two-in-one brow gel, I went into the brown one and I applied at the back of my hand, and from there I picked it up to define my crease a lot more, coupled with that bronzer, so it just blend really well because this gel liner, the brown one, is a lot deeper than the first one, so it's just going to add more dimension into my crease. And once I'm done with that, I'll also go ahead and use that same foundation brush to further blend my lid so my lid can pop a lot more. From the two-in-one brow gel, I'm using the black one to line my eyes, and this just gave a perfect wing liner with an angle brush. I'm also going to use it to tight line. I like this brow gel, the black one, because it's waterproofed and also it just stay put and is really black. So guys, if you want a tutorial, a more detailed tutorial on how to line your eyes if you have hooded eyes, please let me know in the comment section. Then the eighth product I'm going to be getting is a mascara. You need a mascara to tidy up your eyes for your lashes, the bottom lashes and the upper lashes. It just make everything look cohesive and very beautiful. I'm still going to go back and use the brown gel liner for my lips to line my lips before applying my lipstick. You can see that you can do so much with makeup product. So I will go ahead and use that lipstick, the one I use as my blush. I will go ahead and apply that. Then I'll pick a concealer. I'll apply it on top of it to give me an ombre effect. But this time it's not ombre, it's a different color, more like a peachy pink color, just like what I have, the lighter version that I applied on my cheek. Then I went ahead to apply a gloss on my lips just to make it look really yummy and beautiful. So guys, that's what I have. Then for my under eyes, I'm going into a compact powder with a puff. I like to use a compact powder under my eyes just because it gives my under eyes a flawless finishing. Then for my cheek, I'm using that same clear gloss on my cheekbone. I bet some of you don't know that you can use a clear gloss as your cheek highlighter or the highest point of your face to, bring it forward. And if you don't know, you're welcome. So yeah, and this is the finished look, guys. And what is makeup without sealing it? So I'm going ahead to seal all this makeup in one place. So guys, you can see that with 10 products, I was able to achieve a soft, glam, beautiful look. So babes, if you lose your makeup product, what 10 essential makeup products would you be getting? Leave it in the comment section. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye guys.